Today, I'll walk you through how to build a simple to-do list using Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create an organized to-do list so you can manage your tasks effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing google.com in the address bar. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where all your Google apps are located. Click on this icon, it will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google applications available to you. Next, find and click on Sheets from the list of apps. This will take you to Google Sheets where you can create and manage spreadsheets. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google occasionally updates its interface, but the functionality remains the same. Now that you're in Google Sheets, look for the Template Gallery button at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open up a selection of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Templates can save you time and help you create a professional-looking document with ease. In the Template Gallery, scroll down until you find the to-do list template. Click on it to open. This template is designed specifically for task management, making it a perfect choice for our needs. Once the template opens, you'll see a preformatted list where you can start adding your tasks. You can customize the list by entering your tasks, setting due dates, and even marking them as completed. This is where your organizational skills will shine. As you fill in your to-do list, feel free to adjust any elements to better suit your preferences. You can change colors, fonts, or even add additional columns if you wish. This flexibility is one of the many benefits of using Google Sheets for task management. And there you have it. You've successfully created a simple to-do list using Google Sheets. This tool not only helps you keep track of your tasks, but also enhances your productivity by providing a clear overview of what needs to be done. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.